So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unfriend your friends on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now you should have to tap on your profile icon, which is available on the top corner of your left side. So tap on it, then tap on friends icon. Then here you will see your all friends available here, and scroll down below. Then tap on the three dot. So I'm tapping here, and you will see the option of unfriend dot. So tap on it and confirm either you want to unfriend him or not. So I'm tapping on confirm. Now see, he has been unfriend from my account, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.